The discovery process flows naturally through the utilization of questions to enable you to execute your questioning strategy. It starts with first asking permission to ask questions. There are two important aspects of influence. The first is focus on the other person. You do that by asking questions and listening. The second is earn the right to proceed. You want to be sure you're moving at a pace that fits for your client or prospective client. You start by setting context and describing purpose. You might open as follows. Jim, if you're like other successful clients with whom we work, you have goals or aspirations, and there are things that are important to you in your life, for your family, and for your business. The best way for us to gain a mutual understanding of what is important to you is to take some time to fully explore, through questioning and listening, your aspirations. Does that seem like a reasonable place to start? You always ask affirmative questions. Does that seem reasonable? How do you feel about that? Does that make sense? You get buy-in throughout. Questions are critical to getting to yes in the discovery process. The mastery of questioning skills begins with setting context and describing purpose, asking permission to conduct a discovery interview.